Hello everybody, I'm in Georgia. I have been here 3 years ago. It's my second time in this country. We are in Kazbegi now. We get a tour today from Tbilisi. The main place for tour is Kazbegi. Tbilisi to Kazbegi is about 160 kilometers and usually takes around 3.5 hours. On the way there, we made 5 main stops in addition to Kazbegi. On the return journey, we drove back directly without stops. I will show you what did we do in this tour. I will also give you some recommendation here. Let's start to explore around Kazbegi. Our day tour started at 9 am departing from Tbilisi by shuttle. The first stop on our journey was Zhinvali Reservoir, located about 55 kilometers from the city. This beautiful viewpoint offers breathtaking views of turquoise water surrounded by the majestic Caucasus Mountains. Located along the Georgian Military Highway, it's popular stops and a favorite destination for photographers and travelers. Welcome to Ananuri Fortress, one of the most beautiful and historically significant landmarks in Georgia. Here is our second stop. We are located about 70 kilometers north of Tbilisi. Located above the Zhinvali Reservoir, this fortress combines history, impressive buildings, and amazing views. Let's start with historical brief information. The history of Ananuri dates back several centuries. The fortress was primarily built during the 16th and 17th centuries. Ananuri played an important role in defending the Aragvi Valley and protecting key trade and military routes through the Caucasus Mountains because of its strategic location. One of the highlights of the fortress is the Church of the Assumption, completed in 1689. This church is considered a masterpiece of Georgian architecture. If you look at the outside walls, you can see beautiful stone carving and decorations that have remained here for more than 300 years. Inside the church, visitors can still see parts of old paintings that show Georgia's Christian history. Ananuri also holds an important place in Georgian culture and identity. The fortress reminds us the people who lived here many centuries ago. Today, the fortress attracts visitors from all over the world. We arrived at the restaurant Gorda, the third stop of our tour. As you can see, we are welcomed by a beautiful view. Before enjoying the scenery, let's briefly talk about the food we had. To start our meal, we ordered first chicken soup and Greek salad. And of course, we ordered a hachapuri. No trip to Georgia would be complete without trying this delicious traditional cheese bread. We also ordered grilled chicken. Here is the place for wine tasting near the restaurant. We learned about local winemaking and experienced the country's rich wine culture. Here is our fourth stop. This is the famous meeting point of the black and white Aragvi rivers. What makes it special is that two rivers have different colors and when they meet, they don't mix immediately. For a while, you can clearly see the dark and light waters flowing side by side. Because of their different colors and sediment levels, the waters flow side by side for a distance before fully mixing. It looks like nature has drawn a line across the river.
Morning comes too early, hands already warm.
Here is the fifth stop, Gudauri viewpoint, one of the most spectacular attractions in Georgia. This famous viewpoint sits high in Caucasus Mountains and offers breathtaking panoramic views of deep valley and snow-capped peaks. The landmark is best known for the Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, a large circular structure built in 1983. Inside walls are decorated with colorful mosaics showing stories from Georgian and Russian history, culture, and traditions. These vibrant artworks make the monument not only a scenic viewpoint but also a fascinating piece of Soviet-era architecture. Standing altitude of over 2000 meters above sea level, Gudauri viewpoint provides visitors with unforgettable views. The viewpoint is also a popular destination for photography, sightseeing and paragliding. Many travelers stop here on their journey between Tbilisi and Kazbegi to admire natural beauty of mountains. Whether you are interested in history, architecture, adventure or simply enjoying incredible mountain views, Gudauri viewpoint is must-visit destination in Georgia. Kazbegi is the last stop for our tour. Kazbegi's mountain town is northern Georgia near the border with Russia. It is famous for Gergeti Trinity Church, which is on a hill above the valley. Kazbegi is a popular destination for hiking, nature lovers and travelers seeking breathtaking land spaces. To get from Kazbegi to Gergeti Trinity Church, we use vehicles shown in the screen. The road to the church is steep and winding, so we change the vehicles. We arrived Gergeti Trinity Church. Such a view, right? I will give you some brief information about here. Gergeti Trinity Church is a historic 14th century church located near Kazbegi in Georgia. This historic church stands at altitude of about 2,170 meters above sea level, overlooking the town of Kazbegi. During times of danger, people kept important religious things here to protect them from enemies. It was built during the medieval period and has long been an important symbol of Georgian Christianity and culture. It is surrounded by Mount Kazbek in the background and it has amazing views. The church is a symbol of Georgia's culture and religious heritage and attracts thousands of visitors every year. The tour ended at 4 p.m. The last 30 minutes were free time. We explored a little bit around. At the beginning of the video, I said that we drove back without stopping, but we actually made one stop on the way. We visited a honey house. We tasted honey made from different flowers. We also learned about beekeeping and the various types of honey. It is the final part of the video. Let's take a quick look back at today's trip. Together with my group of friends, we joined a tour that started in Tbilisi. As you watched in video, we completed our journey by visiting a total of 6 main stops, with Kazbegi being the final destination. Today's trip was mostly focused on nature and land spaces, making it quite different from our previous Kakheti tour. By the way, I also made a video about the Kakheti region, which you can find on my channel. Throughout the journey, the scenery was dominated by green land spaces and we also came across several waterfalls along the way. In my opinion, the highlight of the tour was the mountain viewpoint at the final stop, which we reached by private vehicle. The views from the top were absolutely beautiful. If you ever visit Georgia, I would definitely recommend considering activities like this tour. It's our second tour in the country and I had a great time spending the day with my friends. I try to share these places with you as much as possible in this video. Until we meet again in another place, in another country, take care and goodbye.